All the same. At the bottom. At the doctor's. At the moment. At the seaside. At the top. By the way. In the morning. In the daytime. In the afternoon. In the evening. In the night. In the distance. In the future. In the present. In the past. In the long run. In the middle. In the original. In the rain. In the shade. In the sun. In the street. In the country. In the jungle. Just the same. Not in the least. On the left. On the right. To the left. To the right. On the one hand. On the other hand. On the run. On the safe side. On the whole. On the wrong side. Out of the blue. Out of the ordinary. Out of the question. The day after tomorrow. The day before yesterday. The other day. The only. The more the better. The same opinion. To be under the weather. To change for the better. To do the cleaning. To do the dishes. To go to the theatre, cinema. To go to the country. To keep the house. To lay the table. To listen to the radio. To make the bed. To pass the time. To play the piano, the guitar. To read between the lines. To run the risk. To take the floor. To take the trouble. To tell the difference. To tell the time. To tell the truth. Under the impression. Under the influence. To weather the storm.